This video is about fiscal year 2025 third quarter financial results, period from April 2024 to December 2024. Honda Motor Co. Ltd. is a Japanese multinational corporation primarily known for manufacturing automobiles, motorcycles, and power equipment. Summary: Honda's financial results for the cumulative third quarter of the fiscal year, ending March 2025, show an operating profit of 1,139.9 billion yen, with a 7% operating profit margin. In the motorcycle business, global sales remained strong, reaching 15.5 million units. Meanwhile, in the automobile business, sales volume decreased by 297,000 units compared to the previous year, mainly due to lower sales in Asia, particularly China, despite solid performance in North America. The adjusted operating cash flow, which funds future investments, remained steady at 1,945 billion yen, the same level as the previous year. For fiscal year 2025, Honda maintains its business forecast of 1,420 billion yen in operating profit and 950 billion yen in net profit. The motorcycle sales forecast has been revised upward to a record high due to strong global demand, while the automobile sales forecast has been revised downward to 3.75 million units, mainly reflecting weaker sales in Japan. However, the overall profit outlook remains unchanged due to strong motorcycle sales and currency exchange effects. Regarding the 1.1 trillion yen share buyback, Honda has already repurchased shares worth 184.9 billion yen as of January 31st, 2025, and aims to complete the full buyback amount. The progress rate against the full-year plan of 950 billion yen was 84.8%. Honda's strength: motorcycle sales were strong, resulting in good financial results for the third quarter. Main market: in the motorcycle business, sales increased compared to the previous year, driven by strong demand in India and Brazil, as well as economic recovery in Vietnam. In the automobile business, while sales grew in Japan and the U.S., the challenging market conditions in China led to an overall decline compared to the previous year. In Japan, intensified market competition in the third fiscal quarter resulted in lower sales for that period compared to the same quarter last year. Financial results: regarding the cumulative consolidated financial results for fiscal year 2025, operating profit increased by 63.5 billion yen compared to the same period last year, totaling 1,139 billion yen. Equity method investment profit and loss decreased by 94.5 billion yen, resulting in a loss of 27.2 billion yen. Cumulative net profit was 64.3 billion yen lower at 805.2 billion yen. Net profit progress rate against the annual forecast of 950 billion is 84.8%, and it was good. Change in profit before income taxes: Honda's cumulative profit before income taxes decreased by 38.9 billion year-on-year, despite an increase in operating profit by 63.5 billion yen. While higher sales volume contributed positively, increased incentives led to an overall negative impact of 104.3 billion yen. Pricing adjustments in line with product value improvements resulted in a positive impact of 376 billion yen. However, rising expenses negatively impacted profit. Foreign exchange fluctuations also had a negative impact of 56.3 billion yen. Ultimately, despite the increase in operating profit, a decline in equity method profit due to lower sales in China contributed to the overall decrease in profit before income taxes. Dividends and status of acquisition of the company's own shares: the annual dividend for fiscal year 2025 remains at 68 yen per share, as previously announced. Regarding the share repurchase with a maximum limit of 1.1 trillion yen, a total of 184.9 billion yen had been acquired as of January 31st, 2025. The cumulative share repurchase for the fiscal year has reached 472 billion yen. Honda is focusing on shareholder returns through increasing dividend and share buybacks. Nissan and Honda terminate MOU for consideration of business integration. Nissan and Honda have decided to end their talks about a possible business integration. They initially planned to create a joint holding company, but Honda later proposed making Nissan a fully owned subsidiary. Nissan was uncomfortable with this change, fearing a loss of independence. Both companies agreed that it was better to focus on quick decision-making in the fast-changing automotive industry. Despite canceling the merger, Nissan, Honda, and Mitsubishi will continue working together on electric and smart vehicles. Nissan, however, is facing financial struggles, while Honda remains profitable. It is said that the breakdown in negotiations was a positive outcome for Honda after all. Stock price. This is the Japanese yen-based chart for the last 1 year. The Japanese yen stock price is 1,366 yen as of February 20th, and the US dollar stock price is $27.14 as of February 19th. Current PBR is 0.47 and PER is 6.4. Dividend yield is 5.03%. Compared to the last few years, all PBR, PER, and dividend yield show that stock price is relatively lower. The dividend yield of 5.03% is high among other Japanese companies. Conclusion. Honda recovered from the decline in the second quarter and achieved good results in the third quarter. Although there have been some issues with sales in the Chinese market, Honda made steady progress for this fiscal year.